Hey YouTube, have a video of how to cook carne asada. We're not gonna make this into tacos or anything. We're just gonna make the flank of carne asada so we could put it on a plate with rice and beans, for example, which we are. And here next to it, I have chicken fajita mix already prepared. And this one, I get from a local meat market. This is Palomilla. Everyone keeps asking what's Palomilla. It's just a beef steak, just like so. That's all it is. I actually took a couple of pictures today of a couple of meats they got there. And what we're gonna do is just separate this like so. Okay, and we're gonna use the ingredients I always use: Larry's garlic salt, a little bit of Larry's seasoning salt, and my favorite, chicken chef merito, and a little bit of cooking vegetable oil. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and start off with the oil. Oh, brand new oil. Nice. So we're just gonna go ahead and add some oil. The oil, the only thing it does is create a seal so all the juices stay inside and it cooks inside, so it stays juicy. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with the seasoned garlic Larry's. And since there's a lot of meat, I just like to put enough. You can never over season it because it's just creating a crust, and then you're gonna throw it on the grill and it's flipping over and juices are falling, so a lot of that flavor is lost. So this will just help it become, I don't know, nice and rich and thick and saucy. We're gonna throw a little bit more just to make a little bit of juicy. I usually add a lime, which is a good idea, but I'm out of limes today. So let's go ahead and just mix this in. I like to get my hands nice and dirty when I cook. And I like to pull one out individually, that way it gets marinated on both sides. This. Now it looks like it's all marinated. And we're going to take this to our grill. Alright, so we have our grill ready. So we're just going to grab the steak and throw it on there. Whoa, I'm claiming this one. Little fat, give it to the kitties. So there it is. So that's how you start it off. So alright, so after you have this on the grill, what you want to do is go ahead and close the lid. What I like to do is, I always like to have my settings on low. On both of them. Low and slow is the best way to go. That way you don't overburn, the meat stays nice and juicy, and it gets cooked properly. Alright, maybe about 10 minutes have passed. So it looks about good. We're going to go ahead and flip it. Oh yeah, Oh no. Man, that looks delicious. It smells delicious. Boy, can't wait. So maybe in about another 10 minutes, this meat should be done. And then we'll go ahead and throw in the fajitas. Oh, that's my steak. Hope you guys like it. I'm gonna tear it up. So I just looked over to our tree and it's covered with lemons. They look like oranges, but it's because it's like a hybrid lemon tree. We used to have our orange trees. These here. These two are oranges. That's mandarin. We used to have these two oranges over here, and they got crossbreeded. So now they look like oranges, but they're sours, fudgicle sticks. So I'm gonna go throw some. Alright, look, I wanted to show you. These are all from the same tree. This is from one branch, this is from another branch. It looks like an orange. This one kind of crossbreed with an orange. This one looks alright. But they're both, well, they're all three limes. Or lemons. Limes are green. Alright, I went ahead and cut it open. It has seeds and stuff, you can see it. Oh, that meat looks done already. Man. See how it looks? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, they're all done. Except for this one. This one needs a little bit more. Man. That looks delicious. Let's do this real quick. Share the heat, man. Share the heat. We'll just let that marinate for another 5 minutes or so, and that should come out of the grill. Then we'll throw them fajitas. Alright, so this meat should be done already. Oh yeah. I don't like it to be overcooked. Get the seed out. Huh, I heard another one fall in there. There it is. Seedless. Seedless meat. Oh yeah. Come out beautiful. We'll leave mine on top. Don't grab the top one. It's mine. Oh, seed. There it is. Yummy. Alright. So, that's how you cook carne asada. Palomilla. Now I'm going to show you how to cook chicken fajitas. Oh, man. Damn. Yeah. Do this real quick. Woohoo! Look at that saucy go. Yes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So now we'll let that cook. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. We'll let that cook. Yummy. Let that cook about 10 minutes, then flip it over. Here comes my cousin. I don't know if you can see him. Shnoop, there he goes. He just lives down the street from my house. And he has an air horn on his truck. Sounds like a train. So we'll let that cook for 10 minutes. And we'll take this inside. Man, yummy. Get a close up. Yeah, boy. Alright, so it's time to flip this chicken over. It's starting to get dark out here. Since it's starting to get dark out here, I'll just show when it's completed. Well, I connected a light. Woo! Nice and bright here. It's nice and dark over there. But it's good enough to see what's going on. See the light right there? Old school. There it is. So we'll let that cook. You can see the light. And we'll be right back. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and check how it looks now. Oh man. It's falling off itself. I think it might be ready. Maybe a little bit more. Let's see how this one looks. Oh man. That's yummy. Oh, it's a fat piece. I'm gonna bring you over here. It's a hottest spot. Maybe this is. This looks ready. So we're gonna leave that for another 5 minutes, but I'm gonna enjoy this. Alright, so all the meat there should be done. So we're going to go ahead and pull it out. Oh man, it's falling off the meat. Golly, it's falling apart. Man, it looks delicious. Oh yeah, that's ready to go. Sorry, doing this single-handedly. Alright, so here we go with the last piece. Yes. And let's take our jalapeno. Delicious. So let's go ahead and take that in and make a plate. Alright, so here we have the chicken fajitas and the carne asada. And we're just going to hook up a plate with some refried beans with some mozzarella cheese on top, some tortillas, and some Spanish rice. Yeah. Alright, so over here we have some grilled onions, some sliced avocado, some... What kind of cheese is this, baby? Some queso fresco, some limes, some cilantro, some lemons, and here's the salsa we're going to be using, some Bobby Salazar's, And if you haven't tried any other salsas, it's a must. This one's fire roasted salsa. The one we usually get is green salsa, chile verde. They're both bomb. This one's delicious too. I can't decide which one's better. They're both good. Alright, so here we have the plate. We have our carne asada, our chicken fajita, our avocado, jalapeno, our rice, our beans, our lime, the slice of cheese, some sour cream, the chili, some tortillas, and of course, it ain't a party without a Pepsi. That's right. That's how we get it done around here. Alright, and as always, here we go. Let's dig in. Taste a little bit of everything. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.